Number one question I get is, why would somebody want to buy a car condo over at Kota? Let me show you. See ya. What I want to do today is actually talk about some of the owners and why people are actually buying the car condos here at Kota. Because there's other car condo projects that are absolutely amazing, but this one is super unique and there's a lot going on with it. I also wanted today to talk to you about what we're doing on this new channel that we have going on. I'm going to start meeting with really great investors, entrepreneurs, and people like that. And we're going to start in my studio. We're going to be on the track, show the track stuff, and then talk about what entrepreneurs are doing in their business and how you, as somebody who's maybe a young entrepreneur or somebody who wants to grow, can actually learn. And we're not just having the regular conversations about doing this or that. I want to hear what it actually takes to be an entrepreneur. I want to talk about the things that entrepreneurs actually go through, how they have to put off families or how they work with families being an entrepreneur. So stay tuned. I'm happy to see the rest of this video.
You got it. But this one's only better if I go. No, it's not.
Oh. So you drop the air when you're on the track. That way the tires stay sticky. The problem is they won't wear correctly if there's too much air in them, and then so you lose grip. The tires are going to change their shape as you start driving faster, and then what happens is you start losing traction, so then only in the middle of the tire is wearing. When you let the air out, you get more traction because more of the tire is touching the track surface. Now that could be completely wrong. I could be completely full of crap, but yeah.
Jeremy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My wife
over 911.
Yeah, my wife will be here later today.
Awesome.
She's gonna drive. She's tracked my car before.
Okay.
Yeah.
We've got a team in that. We've got a team of great instructors have years of experience on this track today. So we're available. We're free.
So for me, the networking aspect of meeting people, hearing their stories, their love of cars, whatever they have, nobody is saying, oh, my car is better than yours or that kind of thing. It's like, oh, that's so cool about your car. So I love learning how people got to where they are and what they're doing with their cars. And that's part of the whole car community in general. And I think when you tack on like what Turn 11 is doing with the condos and keeping it centralized here, but like today's track day, it's like friends and family, bring your friends down as well. So it's not exclusive and excluding people. It's bringing people in. And that's the fun of the car community, especially in Austin versus some other cities I've been in. So
they'll pull their car in right here. So then it shows that it's a car condo. So we'll have like we'll have like couches and stuff on this side. Over here, we're gonna have like an interview like table area. And then we'll have like round chairs here. So if you're sitting here, you have your cars behind you. The stairs are in. Soon you have a glass wall right here. Glass wall right there.
Stand back a little.
Somebody's Ferrari, Lamborghini will be sitting right there. And then hopefully we'll have air conditioning. What I'm really excited about actually is that we're putting our studio in this complex. And so a lot of the people that you're seeing are gonna be featured on our new projects, our new ventures. We're gonna talk through a lot of what these people are doing to create the businesses they're creating, being the entrepreneurs they're being, and what it's actually like, and what they go through in real life. Because the challenge is that we see these people that have made massive businesses and done all of these things, and sometimes people think, oh, this person's a jerk, or this person's this way. But the reality is nobody knows what it's like to be a creator. And that's what's awesome about this channel that we're doing and this community is we get to see what really happens with entrepreneurs and what they really go through.
My name is Anand Clements. I'm the co-founder of the Exotics Network, and we're here today at Circuit of the Americas as part of the T11 Track Day. We're super excited. What we do is we put on private events and experiences for exotic car owners. So our home base is Austin. Our home base right now, our HQ is Circuit of the Americas. We started all this out here in Austin. Over time, we've been developing a network of exotic car owners, a database, as we say. And the goal is really to grow that and build the largest database of exotic car owners in the world. We do this by putting on experiences and events for these exotic car owners. One of our staples is the fact that we don't have a membership fee. We usually don't really have event fees as well for these owners. So most of the time it's an invite-only thing for owners, but with no cost associated, which makes it very special. And our sponsors cover most of these event costs, which is why we're really grateful to places like here. Circuit of the Americas is one of our main partners, main sponsors that help us put these events on. Austin is just a really special place. It is the city, to me personally, is the city I moved to. I'm from Europe. I grew up in Austria, went to university in the UK, and then this is the first city I came to in the US as an exchange student at UT Austin. Immediately fell in love with this city. I mean, the fact that we're out here today, having Circuit of the Americas, the only purpose-built Formula One racetrack in the world, just that in itself is reason enough to fall in love with a city like Austin. And we have some big plans to make Austin the central Texas car city.
I'm actually part of the staff that built this GT1. It starts out as a 2005 Ford GT chassis, and we put a Lama carbon fiber body on it. And this is our first time to take this car at speed. And our track in Michigan, where we were testing, we can only get to 140 miles an hour. Today is the first time we're actually able to calibrate 6th gear, and we hit 180, and that was kind of exciting because the car's still in one piece, so we're kind of excited about that. I mean, for me, just the experience of this incredible track with these many turns, the technical track, I've got so much to learn, but the car is very capable. This is an incredible track, incredible facility, absolutely unbelievable. Never been here before, and it's kind of a lifetime dream that I was able to experience today.
Hey y'all, Lynn Musgrave. I own a company called Paragon Details, Ceramic Pro North Austin. We do automotive restyling over in Cedar Park, Texas. Today we're out here courtesy of the T11 Car Condos at Circuit of the Americas. I'm driving my 2025 RX-6 Performance today. Nice thing about this, I've got it all protected. We did a clear matte wrap on this. I've got the Vossen wheels on it. Did all the carbon fiber. And then I put a catback system on this one as well, and that's about all that I've gotten around to doing to this one so far. So fun to whip around a big old heavy station wagon on the track. Fun to be out here with the community. Love every time I get the opportunity to come out here. Super excited to see the T11 Car Condos take off, and it's a great day when you're out on the track.
Dr. Yun Nguyen. I am an attorney and physician by training and education. I have a law firm, West Loop Law, based out of Houston, Texas. I'm here today at Kota with the McLaren 650S Spider. Love the car. It's a perfect blend of analog, digital. It's tuned, stage 2 tune, pushing close to 800. Downpipes, no catch. No, just love the car, man. I mean, it's just, you get a lot of raw muscle, but a little bit of comfort with it. I'm just that kind of guy. So this is my first time ever tracking my car on the track. You know, I've done kind of soft laps before and parade laps, but first time to really push it. I've never really opened up the car before. Felt really good to open up the 650S. Obviously, you have the moments where you brake too late and, you know, have to work through that. But other than that, smooth turns, accelerating, punching it on the back straight, on the front straight, hearing the horsepower just fire up. I mean, yeah, it was really, really thrilling time. So yeah, I'm about to go back out this afternoon for sure. Kota community is fantastic. Everybody's so friendly, car owners. There's a lot of mutual respect around cars, of course. Genuinely supportive. It's an opportunity to network, visit and about what other people do. So welcoming. And it's all about cars, man, horsepower, believe it or not.
Real quick, I want to thank everybody that talked about their businesses and shouted out their businesses. I mean, one thing that I love to do here is actually support local companies here in the Austin area, but it's awesome to hear what everybody here at our car condo is doing for businesses. And even myself, I'm taking advantage of this and using it as a studio, which you could come out and shoot in if you'd like. So our information is down below. If you want to come shoot content at our condo and maybe take advantage of the paddock and things like that, reach out to me.